Okay, let's remind that in the second point you have to write a list of 15 words. I prefer unknown words. A list of 15 unknown words, and in the list that you have to write the definition in a first part in English and in a second part in Spanish, right? You have to develop the same activity for all the 15 words. Second word, third word, fourth word, okay, until that you are right to the 15th word. Applying the same exercise, right? After, the third person was in charge of to create or to write, let's remind, to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sentences using all the grammar tenses that we have checked in class. Present simple, present simple, simple past, and past continuous, right? And past continuous. This is the third part, okay? Now, and the last member of the group that is characterized by point number 4 has to create one comic. You are free to decide if you want to use 5, 10, 20 charts. And in the charts you have to use some dialogues in English. Excuse me, I'm talking about Nelson Mandela. What happened? I'm talking about Nelson Mandela. And you have to create some dialogues and expressions in English that are related with the topic, okay? I don't know, you are free of using drawings by digital way, or if you prefer by hand, you are free of design. You can use digital, or if you are good in drawing, you can take one photo, okay? You can take one photo of the paper that you have created for this part and paste it in the Microsoft Word document, okay? You can paste it in the Microsoft Word document. Let's remind that you are a group of 4 people. Yeah, 4 people. The first one, timeline. The second one, words. The third one, sentences. And the last one, the comic. And as a group, you have to join the different parts of the document in a PDF or Microsoft Word document and send to the teacher by agenda virtual. All right, this is the general explanation of the workshop that I left in the previous class, okay? The same rule is going to be applied for 7th grade graders, 7D and 7E. In the case of 7D and 7E, all the students in the classroom, all of you, all the students are free to select who are going to be the 4 members of the group. Okay, you are going to decide which kind of friends do you want to prefer to work on this activity. Okay, it's your selection, is your decision, right? The 4 people for the group, people by group. If you have any question, you can write your comments in the forum stated by Agenda Virtual. Okay, that's all for the first part of the class. Thank you very much.